Good morning, Dr. Dan Yachter, the chiropractor. Special announcement, you guys, and you're going to want to hear this one. Go ahead and fix the phone here. All right, good. So, something special we're going to be doing for the Masterclass on Tuesday. The 20th is going to be here on Tuesday, 6:30 p.m. at the office. For almost 30 years, I've been teaching these master classes, and this one is of particular interest because of the beginning of the year. Everybody wants to get leaner. Everybody wants to drop the 10, 20, 30, 40 pounds that they put on from pre-Thanksgiving to now. And it's going to be a great one. We're going to give you tools, resources, knowledge to either transform or maybe get back to where you were. So, just like our papaya wilting, some of our stuff is wilting back here, right? We're gonna revive. We're gonna teach you how to revive your body, your mind, feel your best, have energy, balance your hormones, get your mind and body feeling its best. So that's Tuesday night, 6:30 p.m. at the office. It's going to be all about vitality, energy, how to produce incredible energy, how to get lean. It's about weight loss, detoxification, just how to get your body performing at its best. And it'll be taught by yours truly this Tuesday. And something special we're going to be doing. We understand many people cannot make it because we have many people who watch these lives. Many people have been part of the practice. Maybe they moved away. We have people who just live very far and cannot make it physically. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be broadcasting exclusive broadcast in our private group, My Family, My Mission. So you have to go there. You have to join My Family, My Mission. This is a Facebook group where we broadcast all of our events, and we post weekly lives, news releases, all kinds of phenomenal content in that group each week. So go there and join, because at 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday night, there will be a Zoom link in my private group, My Family, My Mission, and you'll be able to click that Zoom link, go right into the Zoom room, hey CC, and you're going to be able to watch, and it'll be a very clear broadcast. Okay, so you'll be able to see slides. You'll be able to see everything you need to see. It'll be broadcasted into the Zoom room. So if you can't make it, if you can make it physically, you still want to make it physically, because when you come and you sit there, I call it butts in the seats, you get all kinds of phenomenal things. We're going to have resources, booklets, guides, discounts on supplements, raffle drawings. You get massive discounts on supplements and testing and all kinds of other things. Spinal exams when you are there and you bring your guests. So there's no real substitute for being there. It's a totally different experience being there physically. However, we understand there are many people who cannot make it physically, and if that's the case, then use that Zoom link. The Zoom link will be placed in our private group, My Family, My Mission. This is an all-important masterclass, and it's so critical. And we now know, well, not now, but for years, we have been in a health crisis in this country, in our great country. 70% of people are overweight. Right now it's projected within the next 4 years, it's going to climb to 90%. The number right now, I believe, is approaching 40% of all children and all adults, primarily adults, obese. Body mass index beyond a certain point. So we know there's a huge problem, and it's only getting worse. And what are doctors doing for it? They're prescribing Ozempic, Wegovy, semaglutides, but sure, I mean, those can be for medically urgent issues, right? Hey, AMT, good morning. Sure, long term, we know now, because of all the problems with the medications, we know that long term it affects every organ in the body, and long term it is not good for the body. There are no shortcuts. So you're going to learn how to establish a rock solid foundation, how to get your body balanced naturally. I will be teaching you, from what I've learned over 30 years, the 5 most critical steps, the 5 most critical strategies, the 5 most critical concepts to very easily shift your body back into balance over the last 30 years. I continually, month over month, year over year, look for the simplest ways, the most powerful keys to put in the lock to get people well, the fastest, to get people lean, the fastest, to get patients energized, the fastest, the most economical, time-wise, money-wise, get them results quickly. That's really all I care about. I just want patients to get results and get them quickly. And that's what this masterclass is about. We're going to give you the 5 keys. Very simple. It's going to blow your mind. But I'm going to break down the science. I'm going to break down the strategies. And then we are going to help each other implement, integrate, and become successful and reach the mountaintop. So please join me either in the Zoom room. If you're already part of our Facebook group, great. You know where to find it. There's going to be a Zoom link for you to click on. You click on it, you go right into the room, 6:30 p.m. That's going to be Tuesday, January 20th. If you're not part of the group and you want to watch the masterclass, then join our group, My Family, My Mission. Get in there. You'll be able to click the link and get in at 6:30. More than likely, the link will not be there until 6:30 on Tuesday night or a little bit before. So be on the lookout for it. But we want you to join us. This is such an important topic. Carrying excess weight on the body ages the body, inflames the body. It hurts the heart, it hurts the cardiovascular system. It ruins the hormones. It destroys the joints. It ages your body in every way. It suppresses and represses your immune system. Every single facet of human physiology and biochemistry is negatively impacted when you're carrying around extra weight. So again, this masterclass is about feeling your best, getting energized, balancing your body, and having your healthiest, best 2026. So come join us. It's going to be great. And in the meantime, everybody have a great Sunday. Yeah, need this refresher. Then join us. If you can't drive over, I know you got a little bit of a drive. Anne-Marie, if you can, get over because it's going to be awesome. If you can't, then click that link. I know all of you guys who are watching here, even though we're not in our group right now, are a part of the group. Good morning, Patty. Good to see you. So everybody have a great Sunday. Thanks for joining me. And we'll see you all Tuesday night. Dr. Dan Yachter, the chiropractor.